Add sugar, about 2 tablespoons or 1/4 cup. Ham with a little bit of onions mixed together. Some butter. All greens need a little fat. And then you season to taste. If you can't have salt, we'll use a salt substitute. If you don't like onions, use onion powder, garlic powder. The seasoning at this point is really up to you. I found that this butt rub is very expensive. It's about $13 a container. It's good with most things, not just barbecue. Has lots of seasoning in it. Now this is one small cabbage, no bigger than both of my fists balled up together. It seems like a lot, and I'm going to try to stuff all of this in this small pot. But don't worry, it will cook down. And one thing to know is cabbage makes its own water. If you notice, I didn't put any water in the pot. Oh my goodness, it looks like it's not gonna fit. But don't worry, we're gonna keep stuffing this pot. Mash it down. Now we're going to go ahead on and check this. See how those cabbages have shrunk down? Look at that. Look how, look at that, look at that, look at that. I have, and it made its own water. I wanted to show you that it actually made its own water. Do you see the butteriness of the water? The liquor? Let me see, can you get down in there and see that? Do you see that? That liquor there? Okay. Now that has butter in it. You saw me put that in. And as this cooks, those chunk pieces will fall apart. Now what I have in here is a small amount of ham, a small piece of onion. I put that in when I put the ham in, and I season it to my taste. Now you could just use black pepper and salt if you wanted to, with the butter, on garlic powder, onion powder, stuff like that. But according to your diet and what you can have, that's what you season with. Now this is halfway done. I'm taking the parts that are hard and putting them on the bottom, and close it back up and let it cook a little bit longer. And then I'll let you see the finished result. The cabbage is done. It has cooked down. Now when you cook your cabbage, you add any seasoning that you can have. I only have some ham in here, some onion, a little bit of sugar, and seasoning, and that's it. Oh, and some butter. You always add a little fat to your greens. And this is Val. This is how you do it. If you like what you've seen, hit that subscribe button. And I see all you beautiful people on the next video. The cabbage made its own liquor. You don't need to put any water in here. Made its own broth. Bye-bye now.